Hello friends, today we will be going to learn a most powerful and flexible design pattern used in Selenium automation framework, that is the strategy pattern, by applying it to custom weights. So let's first understand the real life problem. Sometimes we want to wait for an element to be visible. Sometimes we don't want to wait at all, like when elements are always present. So, how can we write our automation code once but change the wait logic dynamically? So, that is where the strategy design pattern comes in. So, first I'm going to show you the folder structure. So, if you could see the folder structure, inside the SRC main Java, I kept one folder named as utils, and there I have one Java class, that is elementutil.java. Then I have a weights folder, and inside that I have explicit wait class, no wait class, and wait strategy interface. And inside the SRC test Java, I have a Google search test. So now this is our strategy pattern Selenium. So I just kept the project name. So applying this, we will be going to check. So I will be going to show you how this basically works. So very first thing is, like we could see here, is wait strategy. So we do one thing. We just web element apply wait web driver. So basically I am passing as a parameter, and so this is basically an abstract method which I am declaring inside my interface, and one by locator. So the necessary libraries are, so first one is, if you could see here, import org.openqa. Okay, so I need to first configure Selenium Java in my pom.xml file. So we'll do one thing for that. So we'll quickly open our Selenium Java dependency. So I could see here I can take any one. So 4.34.0. I just copy it from here. I go to my pom.xml, and here what I can do, I can give dependencies, inside this I have given my this dependency. Fine. Now go to my wait strategy. Let me do one thing. Just go to Maven, and once give the update project, force update of snapshots and releases the offline case also. So I have just updated it. Now let's see if it is giving us auto suggestion, or we can open qa dot selenium dot by, and for web element, so logically when I just mouse over it, it should show me the required library. So just give here import It is org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. In the same way for web element. Fine. So you can assume this as a sort of contract. So any class that implements this interface must provide the logic for apply wait. Fine. So this allows us to switch strategies easily. Now I will just move to my explicit wait class. Fine. So I will do one thing. I will just implement my interface, that is wait strategy. So you could see it will be showing me please add unimplemented methods. I just did this and now I will provide its definition here. So do one thing, you can just provide WebDriver wait equals new WebDriver wait, and you can give here driver with parameter. So this is basically team 10 seconds. So new WebDriver driver comma 10. So okay, okay, let us return wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located and the locator. Fine. So okay, so team basically I was just I'm just just trying to implement here the apply wait method that has been provided in my wait strategy interface. So now you could see here this constructor WebDriver wait WebDriver int is undefined. Like why this is showing such issue. So this is giving undefined because starting from Selenium 4 the WebDriver wait constructor signature changed. So it no longer accepts a plain integer for seconds. So we can do one thing. So driver comma, let us go with duration dot of seconds, and now we can mention here 10. Okay, so I was just it was just going at the back of my mind, like and I just recalled finally that basically after Selenium 4 this is changed a bit. So yeah, so you could see now we have removed our error. So now this class says here I am waiting waiting for a particular web element. So this is basically I saying I am a wait strategy and I will wait explicitly for the element to become visible for up to 10 seconds. Fine. Now we'll move ahead with no wait class. So here also we will just implement wait strategy. So this will also ask you to add an implemented method, that is apply wait. So here we can do one thing. driver dot find element and locator. Yeah, fine. So this is saying I won't wait at all. I will just try to find the element right away. Fine. So one class is saying I will be going to wait for 10 seconds, and another class that is no wait is saying I will not be going to wait at all. I will just try to find the element right away. Now finally I will go to my element util.java. So here I will be providing my generics which will be reusable, that is reusable methods. So I will give private WebDriver driver. So for WebDriver, we have this necessary import. Now let's team create one constructor here. So what is constructor? Constructor name and a class name is always same, and constructor is invoked at the time of object creation. Fine. Now if I will say I want to give a parameterized constructor, so how I can give this? So public element util, and inside this just pass one parameter, that is WebDriver. I am passing reference driver as a reference of WebDriver, and I am saying this dot driver. So you all know what we use this keyword. So basically here this keyword is used to refer current class instance variable. Fine. Now I will go with one more generic, that is do click. So I'm just giving public void do click, and inside this I am passing two parameters where you need to click, the locator for that, and wait strategy. Fine. Now web element le equals wait strategy. So wait strategy dot apply wait driver comma locator. Finding and le dot click. Now for the other one I will just give public void do send keys. So here also we can pass these two same parameters. Web element le equals wait strategy dot apply wait driver and locator, and le dot send keys value. So do one thing, pass one more parameter here like string value, because we need to pass some value wherever I will be sending the keys. Fine. Fine team. So These are my two generics, and now finally I will go to my, okay, it's showing me to import for by. So we'll do one thing, just copy it from our previous class, just paste here. Now this is fine, and now finally move to our Google search test. Fine. So for now team, I'm just doing one thing. You can use testng @test annotation, but I'm just giving public static void main because I will be going to run it as Java application. So it's all up to you. So if you want to run it by testng, you just need to get the dependency of testng, get it in the pom.xml, and you can just update the Maven project. You can just run as Maven install, and finally you can just give @test annotation. But if I want to run it as a Java application, so I'm going with this way. So in my previous videos, I already shown you how to run the test via testng. So here now you can give WebDriver equals new Chrome driver and driver dot get https dot google.com. Now do one thing, element util equals new element util driver. Search box equals by dot name q. Then util dot do send keys search box, and you can give what you need to send. Wait, that is a value now. First, new explicit weight, and here strategy pattern in Selenium. Fine. Driver dot quit. So this test case says launch Google, find the search box, use the explicit wait strategy to wait until it's visible. And then finally I wrote the test, and then finally I just quit. So guess what? If we want to change the wait strategy to no wait, we just change new explicit wait to new no wait. Like I have used a new explicit wait, you can just use a no wait here. So no change in the test logic. This is the beauty of the strategy pattern. So let us run this. So this launched the browser, and finally it got quit, and we just understood our design pattern. Fine. So this is how it will work, team. So friends, we saw how the strategy pattern can make our framework flexible, clean, and easily maintainable. So whenever you find yourself hard coding waits, ask yourself, can I make this as a strategy? So that way your framework becomes plug and play, just like Lego blocks. So if you like this practical real world explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for the next upcoming videos. Thank you all. Keep automating, keep growing. Thanks everyone.